Hi traders, welcome to the weekly and daily outlook on the dollar yen. Now the dollar yen is on the verge of completing a triangular pattern on a weekly time frame, and these patterns tend to break in the direction of the preceding impulse leg. So looking back here, we do have a bullish impulse leg here, which is followed by this triangular pattern. So we can expect this market to eventually break in the bullish direction. So if we drop this down on the 1 hour time frame, let's see if we do have a potential trading opportunity this week. So if we look at this, what the market has done previously, we had a nice impulse leg here, we had a nice pullback here, and the market has created a new structure low. So now this pullback has come into the previous structure level, so we can expect this market at some point to continue up. But do we have any potential structural area at that level? So if we bring in our nice resistance or support line, if we put it there, we can see that that level is actually a very important level because the market has tested that level before. So we had a resistance here, the market has clearly broken above that level, so that level now is going to act as a support level. So we can expect that the dollar yen to rally leading up to this week.